What email do you want in here?
Doesn't matter to me.
I made you a few.
Well, you gotta put me in then.
Shin HKK81. Have PENNY 1. I'm surprised no one even heard this. Save.
Yeah.
What? I didn't get a chance to save. That's not rude.
Hey, it's been stupid, dude.
Huh? It's been stupid. He said it's been stupid.
Yes.
Asshole.
There you go.
Don't worry.
No.
No.
Well, that negative force is leaving us alone.
Huh?
Whatever that negative force is upstairs is leaving us alone.
Right.
Fuckers. House is all full of negative forces. Just shit tired of shit. Claw me at night and bullshit. Figures and evil. Crap. Tired of being with them all my life and tired of seeing them all my life. Oh yeah, it's crap.
I know because it's cold up there.
Yeah, it's cold, yeah, because it's sucking up all that warmth.